All right, so the instructions show you pretty well how to put this together. It's definitely not that complicated and everything is nicely labeled. And they also give you the Allen wrench and wrench needed to make sure you can put everything together. Here it is, completely put together. So with this, you'd be able to just take your wood and lay all of it in here and stack it up, of course, this tall, which is about 3 feet, I'd say. And then the best part about it is once you have your wood in here, you then have a cover to put over it, which is what my queen wife has here. So let's put that on now. And so now with the tarp on, you can see it's nice and tight. There is straps on the bottom that you can tie it down with, and there is enough room in here to where it's a bit wider than the actual item, because you can see here is where each one of the poles are, and it's of course a bit wider than that, so that way if your wood's longer than this, which it will be, there's more than enough room for it to all fit and work. So that should do it for this indoor outdoor firewood rack with cover. Thanks to the company for sending this to me so you guys could see exactly what it looks like set up, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.